Maintaining your HVAC system's filter is crucial for optimal performance and indoor air quality. Smart HVAC, a leading contractor in Vancouver, Washington, emphasizes the importance of regular filter replacement. The frequency depends on various factors, including filter type and household conditions. Generally, homes with pets or allergies should change filters every 1 to 2 months, while standard pleated filters can last up to 3 months. High-grade filters may only need replacement every 6 to 12 months. Neglecting filter maintenance can lead to decreased efficiency, system overload, and health concerns. To determine if it's time for a change, hold the filter up to light. If you can't see through it, it's time to replace. By following these guidelines and staying proactive, you can ensure cleaner air, lower energy costs, and a longer-lasting vac system.